Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another software engineering concept in Python playlist right here on IL the General. In this video, we are going to look at Jinja2 versus Django templates and their core differences. So Django templates actually integrate with Django's model template view pattern, while Jinja2 actually works standalone across multiple frameworks including Flask, Pyramid, and Django. Both actually share syntax for variables and also for tags, but Jinja2 offers more expressive language constructs compared to Django's simpler readability focused syntax. So Django templates actually provide built-in tags, filters, and automatic XSS protection, while Jinja2 maintains a lightweight core with support for advanced programming constructs and custom extensions. So we'll then head on and then we'll view the performance, learning curve, and also community support attached to these. So Jinja2 actually renders templates up to 4.5 times faster than Django templates, especially with complex pages. This performance advantage increases with caching, making Jinja2 ideal for high traffic size, and Django templates offer an easier learning curve for Python developers. Jinja2 provides more power but requires additional time to master, particularly for custom extensions. So we also have the third one where Django features a larger community with extensive documentation, but Jinja2 is smaller but active with community spans multiple frameworks and extensions for most common needs. So the performance edge, Jinja2 renders templates up to 4 times faster, critical for high traffic size, and for integration flexibility, Jinja2 works across multiple frameworks like Django templates or optimized, which is optimized for Django. So there's a learning investment. Django templates enable faster onboarding, while Jinja2 requires more learning but offers greater power. Yeah, that's it for this video on learning curve, community support, and performance of Jinja2 and Django templates.